The Green Tech Foundation on Thursday staged a protest outside the Secretariat demanding that the state government halt the proposed leasing of Lumpongdeng Island in Umiam Lake for the Taj Umiam Resort and Spa project. According to reports, security was tightened at the Secretariat gate with police personnel deployed under the supervision of magistrates. Mild lathi action was reportedly used to disperse or control the gathering protesters. A day prior to the demonstration, the foundation had organized a sit-in protest at Lumpongdeng Island, reiterating its opposition to the inclusion of the island in the proposed lease agreement for the resort project. Foundation Chairman H. Bansiudor Nonglang stated that the organization was preparing to launch an indefinite hunger strike, alleging that the government had not responded to their concerns. He further stated that the foundation had been consistently urging upon the government to suspend its plans to carry out construction activities on the island, warning that such development could have adverse impacts on the lake's ecosystem and power generation. The chairman also alleged that the government had misled the public, claiming that tree felling activities on the island had already begun despite assurances to the contrary.
Yakai kebangi dawa upajban osusunong layui. Kumbangi laong MTM wat lilam ya Lumpongdeng angtai popong Umiam. Kanai ke hongas indefinite hunger strike. Ladang ide ban yap. Ladang ide ban jia takai gairu ka tourism department bat ka state government kadai ban siam ni jingkit kle. Nginum ki nang ni, nginum bam, nginum di, ngin syong ni tat hadu baka sarkar kan ai ya ka jingtho ba hin call off hin withdraw no ya katai ka jing ai ya Lumpongdeng Island hang tai popong Umiam ngila da pha ka jingtho cha ka state government ngila da bi kendu ya tourism minister ngila da ya kendu ya director jong tourism ngila da pha ka jingtho sa chief minister sakai shu bangin nang ya keren kini gi breu ningkong ki thok yangi yong ba ya Lumpongdeng kim siam lai hendrai hap kumba play ki RTI ki bangi ngila file kala penisai ba Lumpongdeng wat ke jing pen klam ding ru menin kalasdang bat ngimpua banwan hang ni ban ya lumpaj ba ngimpua ang ni ban ya ki paj ba da kalinti ka ba jai jai da kalinti ka ba jam marwei ngawan hang ni namenta kisan hajar duna ki belasanya competition bad yu upaj ba ubalaki ya kanai ka jing lilam ya udol nang Lumpongdeng kim don hok mano menoro kumbang ilakren nomor ka anyi kalau ada keren persya bapimla ban kta pelumar ya kapong Umiam kabari ka hydro power plant ka bahe tam ka jungi bat ka honbel high court ro keladap ban penmi ya ki order hakini kisnam ki keladap nrai mentah dalade hi ka state government kathom da kabor da kabawan ra ya gini hespa sya kita ki Umiam private limited ban ai ya udol nong uba ye jungi tai popong Umiam ngimpua ang ni bakan don kajing blok kajing penwit ya ki balai bawan ki batrai bakta ya ki balai ki kam ki jam takadau marwei kumunung yalam ngasyem ya kani bat tedat bat kajing ya ki menta kasngi kan long baita kajing syak tangan ka baklem put sngi kan ba pimpat ai ka jubab yangi kajing ki jungi kalong ka bakhot ka basida ni yang bait lada pi ai yangi kajing tho menta ba pin withdraw pin call off ya katai ka project ka ba pi ai so dol nang Lumpongdeng ngin mi no nang ne balda pi mai uni uslap numla ban khang yangi bat kini kulit ki bayang ne ki numla ban khang yangi bat wan sama no menoru ngilong ki balakre bat ba undon bat ngi bat ublai ubangi duai bat ngi unom yangi ngan sya marwei kumunong yalam henrai kajing sya kalong na bentaki members ki volunteers ki nong yalam jong grentek baro na bentaki pajba ki belasanya ke petition bat na betau pajba ubasidur ubala percaya kan ye bat kesorkar kam sengap ngum mangalong ye pingin puak bak nek surakan belak ngim puak kan gelentikan pen khamnya ngim puak bak litrai lita ki kena skul ki jongi kim ya sakut kan gelenti sibit takadau ngim wan yalam upai ba ngim wan yalam ya kenhun marwai ngan represent na benta kini kisan hajar bat ki pajba ki bela yang skam bat ni